Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can get characters in Genshin Impact. By get I mean how you guys can unlock characters for yourself in Genshin Impact. So if you do not know what Genshin Impact is, Genshin Impact is a free-to-play online game which is available for iOS and PC users, so you can easily download it from your app store, create an account. Now let's get into the main topic, which is on how you guys can get characters in Genshin Impact. But before getting into that topic, just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Guide, and let's move on with today's video now, shall we? So basically, to get characters in Genshin Impact, you need to complete missions. By default, you guys are gonna get one character which you need to choose. It's gonna be either a boy or a girl. I chose the girl character, that's why I got the girl. But if you chose the boy, you're gonna get the boy character. Now to unlock more characters in Genshin Impact, you need to complete missions. So you need to fulfill like the story mode of this game. So after you complete like story mode of this game, throughout the journey you're gonna keep on unlocking more players. So you can click on this map over here, and as you guys can see, you can see like many of these checkpoints over here. If you see this star over here, you can go on this star location and complete a mission. Just like this, you need to start completing missions, and along the way you're gonna start unlocking new characters. All right, so that's how we guys can get new characters in Genshin Impact. It's gonna be a bit of a long process because you need to do those challenges according to that as well. So hope you guys understand on how you guys can get new characters in Genshin Impact. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Guide Everybody. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video, and I'm gonna go play some more Genshin Impact. Bye bye.